Wheelchair, very important piece of equipment for your client and provides them with mobility. So it's good for us to know as caregivers the different parts of a wheelchair and how they actually operate. Your wheelchair has the two big wheels on the sides. These wheels both have brakes on either side that you gently push forward to brake the wheel or push the lever back to unrelease the brake. The back of the wheelchair has two sturdy safety bars at the bottom here. These are to counterbalance your client, but also to help your client from not tipping over if that were ever to occur. And the different parts of a wheelchair, including the foot pedals that you can see here. Now, foot pedals obviously there to put your client's feet on for resting purposes. However, as caregivers, you're going to have to learn how to take them off and put them on. So the trick with foot pedals is to kind of grip the lever on the inside and turn it onto a 90-degree angle like I have here. And in order to take the foot pedal off, you just lift up, just like so. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Maybe you want to take the foot pedals off before you transfer your client into the wheelchair. Much safer that way. Please watch any metal objects after you take the foot pedal off that are connected to the chair, because these can cause obviously damage to your client's skin. Transfer your client into the wheelchair, and then you would put these foot pedals back on with the same type of thinking. You want to start on a 90-degree angle like so. That's kind of the secret of putting them back on, and you're just lining up the notches that are on the wheelchair with the holes that are on the foot pedal. Once they're in, you swing it forward and the foot pedal is on. So they are removable and you can put them back on easily. Also the armrests. The armrests are removable as well. There's a nice little button here that you just push in, and you would lift the arm rest off like so, and you would put the armrest back in the exact same way. And same with the other side. And they're also very handy if you have to transfer the client into the wheelchair, especially from the bed, because you don't have to worry about them hitting either armrest, depending on which way you're transferring them. Now, sooner or later, a client will ask you to help them put their wheelchair into their car if they're going home to visit their relatives. So the trick with putting the wheelchair into a car is to fold it up first. Most wheelchairs are going to fold from the middle section up, so you kind of have to pull from the middle to get the wheelchair to fold. So you would kind of pull up like so, and the wheelchair will fold for you, and then you can put it inside your client's trunk, and you just push down again in order to widen the wheelchair when your client will need it. Most wheelchairs for your clients will come with a nice thick 2-inch cushion. They are full with air. We just use a bicycle tire air pump for those. And where you work should have one of those. And also you may be asked to clean those cushions when dirty. That's simply washing them in your shower and hanging them up to dry. So wheelchair is a very important piece of equipment for your client, and those are some of the tips you guys can keep in mind. Hope that was helpful. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.